Hello. It's me again. Welcome to the next part of Forestry Techzz. The familiar sounds, the thrilling scenes and the skillful woodcutting performances are along with the excitement and thrill of the magical speed of the large chainsaws, mixed with the somewhat dangerous details, stimulating both the viewers and the woodcutters. That's all there is in this video. The excitement. The extreme excitement to experience the extremely dangerous and modern chainsaws. Now let's experience them on screen with me. First is the scene of a guy on a very high and dangerous tree using an Skeel MSC 170 CPQ electric chainsaw. I guess the height is about 20 meters, but he seems to be very professional, and is not afraid of heights. I was very scared when witnessing such a scene. With just a few operations, he has finished handling a large tree branch. Really dangerous. Nearby was a very beautiful sight. Using a private plane to pull a large saw to cut off branches that were too high for humans to cut at that height. The person who came up with this idea was really smart. In this scene we will understand more about the creativity and genius of this guy. Normally we will use automatic saw blades or modern saws that run on gasoline or electricity to cut large logs in large sawmills. But no. In this case I really could not believe my eyes. Due to the conditions far from the city without direct electricity source, this guy took advantage of the natural conditions using the flow of water to create a certain force that can control his magical saw blade to cut large logs without wasting effort and money. I highly appreciate this guy's creativity. The next scene makes us even more amazed. In the middle of a quiet forest, a monster named V360F Hunt timber harvester. It weighs about 2 tons and has a giant saw blade in front of it. Large tree trunks can withstand all storms and floods. But when encountering this monster, they will be cut down gently within 20 seconds. I am really curious about the real power of this machine. What about you? Next is a short scene of the GM300 SM crusher. As far as I know, it can crush anything in front of it, even iron and rock. Very scary. The next scene is a PC208M0 tree stump digger with engine power 103, 2+000 kW/RPM engine power. It's like a dung beetle digging the ground. Very powerful. Next to it was a monster with its long horns tearing up a large tree in the blink of an eye. I was really excited to see this. It was so powerful beyond my imagination. Next is the scene of 2 men using Skeel MS-250 chainsaw to try to cut down a giant tree. It didn't take too much time. Just a few operations they had brought it down. Next we see a Petzolato Allroad wood shredder moving on the road. After exploiting large trees and cleaning them to bring them to wood factories for consumption. Small branches and leaves. Excess trees that do not meet standards will be processed for firewood or forestry fertilizers. At this time, the Petzolato wood shredder is the first choice of people. Their incredible power can crush several tons of wood in one working day. And the results they bring to people are also very satisfactory. I highly appreciate this wood shredder. What about you? In the last 2 scenes of the video, a man was on a very high tree branch. With his agility, he cut down large branches and the wood he harvested was transported by a heavy-duty timber truck. The transportation process was very difficult. But in the end, he successfully brought them to his sawmill. Thank you all for watching this video of mine. If you find it interesting and useful, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.